example is by using elementary operation find the inverse of the matrix A 2 3 5 7. See, we are doing the previous example, the same type of example is there. Now here this is the second example. We are using elementary row operation, not column operation, because there are two types of operations are there. Either you can use row wise or column wise. Okay, but now we are doing here row wise. See, we are writing A is equal to RA, what we have done earlier, and what is given? A matrix 2 3 5 7. I is what? 1 0 0 1 into means this 1 0 0 1 we want to convert in terms of left hand side, so that I can get A inverse is R. Okay, means very first step, this first element should be, I want to convert what it is, 1. Correct. This is first row, we call it as R1. If I want to convert that one is in the form of 1, what we can do? See, if we divide by 2 by 2, what will it is? 120. Are you understood or not? We want to convert the left hand side 1 is what? In the form of 1 0 0 1 form. Very first step is 1. This 1 we want to convert in terms of 1. For that, what we are doing the operation? R1. Which one changes here? R1 changes. Therefore, R1 dash to R1 with multiplication of. Therefore, we are writing just 2 into half, 3 into half, because only which one changes? First row. See, is there any changes in the second row? Therefore, we are writing as well. There is no changes. So, only first row changes. Therefore, this is applicable here also. 1 into 1 by 2, 0 into 1 by 2. This one not changes. We are writing as this. Okay. And next 2 get cancelled. Left it is 1. 1 3 by 2 5 7, and here it is half 0 0 1 into. Okay, next see, we have done 1, very first step 1, and next step is what? Convert this one is 0 by become what it is 0. Correct. For that we are multiplying. See, this is R2, this is R1. See, I want to convert second. This one is 0, which this 5 should be converted in terms of 0. For that, see, first row we can multiply by 5. 5 into 1, what will get? It is 5. What we are doing? Adding or subtracting here? If you done addition, 5 plus 5, what will get? It is 10. Subtraction, 5 minus 5 will get it is 0. Therefore, we are doing the operation. Which one? We want to change the second. Therefore, we are writing R2 dash. R2 dash to R2 minus 5 R1. R2 dash to R2 minus 5 R1. See this. There is no changes in the first row. Therefore, we are writing as it is 1 3 by 2. Only which one changes? Second row. Therefore, I will write 5 minus 1 into 5. 1 into 5. Right. Next 7. 7 minus 5 into 3 by 2. Right. 5 into 3 by 2. Peace. There is no changes in the first row, therefore I will write as it is 0. Only changes in the second row, 0. In between which sign? Minus sign. 5 into half. 5 into half. Next. 1 as it is 1 minus multiply 5 into 0. 5 into 0 into. Okay. See. 1 into 5. What will get? 5. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5. What is this answer? See. Okay. Next. This is 7. The denominator. 5 into 3. What will get it is? 15 by. Correct. 7 minus 15 by 2. 7 minus 15. Take the LCM. 7 into 2. 15 minus 15 by. 14 minus 15 is what? Minus half. Means this is what? Minus half. After doing the simplification. Next. Minus 5 into half. What will you get? Minus 5 by 2. Minus 1 by 5 into 0. What will you get? 0 only. Therefore 1 minus 0 is what? 1. This is 1. Okay. See, we have done 1, 0. Next step. This one I want to convert in terms of 1. For that, only which one changes? This row we call it as what? R1 this is R2. But I want to convert it is in terms of 1. For that, we are multiplying by 2. So that this 2 become get cancelled. Therefore, we are writing there is changes only in R2. Therefore, we are writing R2 dash 2. R2 with multiplication by 2. Or else we can write R2 dash 2 R2. But we'll get it is negative sign. Therefore, better you multiply here minus 2 R2 with sign minus 2. So that minus into minus will get plus. But everything we have done changes in the second. Therefore, we are getting 1 3 by 2 minus 2 into 0. Minus 2 into minus half. Next. Half 0 multiply. Minus 2 into minus 5 by 2. Next. 1 into minus 2. Okay. Into. Next. See. 2 get cancelled. Minus 2 into 0. What will it? Minus 2 into 0. 0 into everything is what? 0. Minus into minus. What will you get? Plus. Therefore, this is 1. Okay. And next. This 2 get cancelled. Minus into minus. What will you get? It is plus. Therefore, it is plus 5. 1 into minus 2. What will you get? Minus 2. So, here it is minus 2. Okay, means we converted. See, 1, 1, 0, 1 finished. Okay, and next step. See, next step is what we want to convert. This element should be is CO. Correct. For that, see, this is R1. And this is R2. See, if I multiply 3 by 2, the same element by R2, 1 into 3 by 2, what will get? 3 by 2 only. But which sign we are using? Negative sign. Because 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 we get. Therefore, we can write this one as multiply 3 by 2. Okay, that is, see, just concentrate here. Which one changes? R1. R1 dash 2. R1, see, R1 minus 3 by 2 R2. Because if you done subtraction, then only it is there. First row changes here. See R1 dash 1 minus 0 into 3 by 2. Next 3 by 2 minus 1 into 3 by 2. Next this one is as correct. See 0 into 3 by 2, what will get this? 0 only, means 1 minus 0 is 1. This is 0. Next 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, what will get? 0. This is 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, and it is okay. And next this is equals to only changes we have done in the first row. There is no changes in the second row. Remember that. 1 by 2 as it is first row. Second row is multiplied by 3 by 2. 5 into 3 by 2. With the negative sign. Minus 5 into 3 by 2. Okay. Next. 0 minus. Okay. Minus 2 into minus 3 by 2. And these elements are as it is because there is no changes in the second row. And this is key. Okay. See, we take it is 1, 0, 0, 1. See, 1, find 3, 15. 1 minus 15 by 2 because of LCM is 6. Next, minus into minus, what will it is? Plus. Plus into minus, what will it is? Minus. Next, 5 minus 2 into, we get 1 minus 15 means minus 14 by 2 minus 3, 5 minus 2 into 8. His identity 1 0 1. Means 2 4 7. Means I will get minus 7 minus 3 5 minus 2 into means we get this A inverse into A is R. What is our A inverse? A inverse is minus 7 minus 3 5 minus 2. In this way we can calculate the example. Then solve next example also. Next example. Matrix A 1 3 2 7. Matrix A 1 3 2 7. Remember that by using elementary row transformation of a matrix, find the inverse, purely 3 marks, and they will give example purely of order 2 cross 2. Okay. And you know that solution how to calculate. We can replace this one as solution. Let A is equal to IA. What is our A? 1 3 2 7. What is our I? 1 0 0 1 into A. And very first step, you know that the left hand side is 1 3 2 7. We are converting in terms of 1 0 0 1, nothing but identity matrix R, so that I can get the A inverse. Okay. For that, very first element is 1. 1 is there or not? See, 1. Next 2 means this 2 convert in terms of 0. For that, see how this is R1 row and this is R2 row. Not familiar? But now I want to convert this one is 0. For that, what we can multiply here? See 2 and subtract. We get the 0. But everything we are doing the changes in the R2. Therefore, we write R2 dash. Okay, R2 dash to R2 minus 2 R1. Changes in the second row. There is no changes in the first row. Therefore, first row as it is your second. 2, 1 into 2. 1 into 2 is next 7 minus 2 into 3, 6. Okay, next 1, 0 as it is 0 minus 1 into 2. What is it? Minus 2. Next 1 minus 0 into 2. What is it? C into which will get it is 1, 3, 0, 1. Next 1, 0 minus 2, 1 into. Okay. And next C 1, 0, 1. Okay. Need not to worry. It is already given 1. Only which one I want to change this? This 3 convert in terms of 0. Means which one changes? R1 row changes. R1. Right? This is R1 and this is R2. Means R1 changes so that we can get R1 dash. See, this is 3 is there. If I multiply this by 3, then do the subtraction. Actually, this is 0. Okay, you can write R1 dash to R1 minus 3 R2. This is the operation how you can write. Okay, 1 minus 0 into 3. Correct? 0 into 3 is 0. Next, 3 minus 1 into 3. What? Second row, there is no changes, right? As it is. Next, if this is what's good here, changes actually. Next also what's good because of equal sign. Next, see, R1, 1 minus 2 into 3. Minus 2 into 3. Okay. Next, 0. Okay. 0 minus 3 into 1. And this one is as it is minus 2 minus into 3. And we get it is 1, 0, 0, 1. 1 minus into minus plus 1 plus 6. And minus 3 into 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. 1 plus 6 means what it is? 7. Okay, means we got. This is what identity matrix are. That is A inverse into A. Therefore, our A inverse is what here? 7 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. In this form, we can calculate. Okay. Next, to example, I will give homework. I had to example in home. One example is 2, 1, 1, 1. Another example is 1, 2, 2 minus 1. Find the inverse of the matrix using elementary transformation. Okay. And last one take another one. that is mentioned. Same, by using elementary row transformation, find the inverse of the matrix if it exists. Mentioned. If it exists. And given P, 10 minus 2 minus 5, 1. This is the given example. Okay. See, we know that as usual solution, we can write P is equal to LP. Correct. And what is our P? 10 minus 2 minus 5, 1. What is our matrix? I 1 0 0 1 into, and we want to convert this one is in terms of P inverse, and this is R. Okay, for that this one we are converting in terms of 1 0 0 1. For that very first step, convert this one. Very first step, convert R1 to 1 means divide by 10. 10 by 10, what will get this? 1. Okay. Therefore, I will write R1 dash to 1 by 10 R1. Only changes we have done in R1. Remember that. We get 10 by 10 minus 2 by 10 minus 5 1 6. Multiply 1 by 10 0 by 10 0 1 into 0. We get 10 by 10 is 1 minus 2 by 10 5 minus 1 by 5 minus 5 1. Correct. 1 by 10 0 0 by 10 is 0 0 1 into. Okay. And next step is convert this minus 5 become what it is? 0. Means we are multiplying. This is first row R1, this is second row R2. Means everything we are doing the changes in the what? Second row. Therefore we are writing R2 dash 2 R2 dash 2 R2. This minus 5 convert in terms of 0 means we are multiplying with plus 5 in the first row. 5 minus 5, what will it be? 0. Therefore R2 to R2 plus 5 R1. Only we are doing the changes in the second row. There is no changes in the first row. Therefore 1 minus 1 plus 5 as it is we are writing. Second row 6 minus 5 plus in between plus 1 into 5. What will be 5? 1 as it is. Okay. Next plus. Okay. Multiply 5 into minus 1 by 5. 1 by 10 0 as it is. Only second row changes, therefore we write 0 plus 5 into 1 by 10. Okay. Next 1 plus 5 into 0 into 0. Okay. Means we will get it is 1 minus 1 by 5. Okay. Better I will write here only. 1 minus 1 by 5 minus 5 plus 4 0. This get cancelled. We get 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 what it is? 0. Means 1 by 10 0. Next 5 is 5 is 1 by 2. 5 into 0 what is this? 5 1 sorry 5 into 0 0 1 plus 0 what is this? 1 into. See, these These two are never 0 because here we need a element 1. Therefore, which one does not exist here? Inverse does not exist. Therefore, see, 2 zeros are exist. Means here I want 1. Then only I can get an identity matrix. Otherwise, not possible. Therefore, what? P inverse here does not